Hello everyone, so in this video I will show you how to manually install hotfixes on the new XenServer 8 and we will install offline hotfixes or offline updates. This was not possible until now, and I was reading about the new XenCenter, and one of the new features is this one. So it seems that the guys from XenServer finally introduced the offline updates, because until now we only had the option to create repositories that had to have access to the internet, and maybe they got a lot of complaints from the customers that do not want to expose their hypervisors to the internet, even if they use even if they had to use a proxy server. And yeah, so they've done it. I already have a video about this on how to do it via the XenCenter. So via the XenCenter is pretty easy, but in this video I want to show you how to do it through the CLI, and we will do this with the help of Ansible. Let's get another look on the commands that we will use. So this article was never here, so I never saw this one, and so this is new. This is a new article. So offline updates. First thing we have to do is to create an offline repository. Then we have to enable it, and the third thing that we need to do is to upload and sync the offline bundle. This will not install hotfix. It will just this is like unpacking a zip file, so, or mounting an ISO. So if you execute this command and you do not execute the install command after it, if you reboot the host or something like that, you will not be able to execute the install command. So this will just you should think of this like an ISO mount or unpacking a zip file, and immediately after this you should execute the install command. The install command is not directly listed here. I don't know why they did not list it here. It's below in the install. Where is it? This one. Okay, it's this one. So it's XE host apply updates. You need the UID of the host where you want to install the updates, and the hash that is generated when you upload the bundle. The bundles you can download from this page, and they have here 4 bundles. I believe they will only post 4 or 5 of them, so for the last 2 or 3 months. One more important thing is to understand here is that those are not like hotfixes. So they are not like the hotfix that we were used to with the XenServer 8.2. So each bundle contains all the hotfixes. So the last one contains everything below. So you do not need to install each one. If you want to get to the latest version, you just install the latest version, the latest bundle. So this is a difference, and for us as system admins, I believe this is a good thing because we do not have to think about installing 80 hotfixes or something like that, and we would just take the last one or one of them, and we can be sure that it contains everything below. And if we want to update, we just use one file. We don't need to install 10 files or something like that. Okay, so those are the informations that we need. I have a Xen pool ready, so it's a clean install. Nothing nothing is configured. I didn't even configure the updates, so nothing is selected, because we will do everything via the CLI, and we will do it by the book. Everything that Citrix tells us we will do in in our steps in our playbook. So let's start. Enough talking. So this is the playbook. Let's go through the steps that it will do. So first thing, it will set all the hosts in maintenance. Then I will copy the bundle locally on in this location. So I just create an additional folder, and I will copy the bundle there. Then we will create the repositories, and we will name them how we will name them: offline repo. Yeah, so this will be the name label, and the description will be offline. This is the same naming convention that is used if you do it with the XenServer. You can use different names here. I tested it and it works with different names, but I went to do it with the default that is done with the XenServer. So this is just create and enable the repository. Then you have to sync the bundle. So this is the actual ISO mount. It's not an ISO mount, but I will refer to it as an ISO mount because it behaves like that. Then we are installing the hotfixes on the pool master, just on the pool master, and then we go down the line and install it on the members. After the install, the members are installed, I'm removing the file that I copied because I want to have a clean system, and as you have seen, the files are pretty big. So if we have, I don't know, if in 2 or 3 years we will install 10 hot fixes or bundles like this, this will eat a lot of drive space, and we want to keep them clean. Where is it? Here. Okay. So after I delete the hotfix bundle, then I'm rebooting the pool master, and I am waiting. So this is a pause because if you execute this command and you execute the next command that we need to check if the XAPI service is active, the server doesn't have time to actually reboot, and you will get a green message here before the reboot. So this is why I've added a break here for 2 minutes. After the 2 minutes, so the server will be 100% sure will be in the reboot process, and then the next task will just wait for the XAPI service to be online and active. Then when it's active, only then it will it will jump to the next task, and the next task is just to wait another 5 minutes, because from my personal experience, the uptime of the server, so those times here. So if you reboot, the server uptime and the tool stack uptime must have at least 5 minutes. This is something that I recommend everyone. So be patient, wait 5 minutes, and only then continue with the reboot of the slaves. And of course, after the 6 minutes are gone, it will reboot the rest of the pool. Okay, let's see it in action. Okay, so as usual, before I execute any Ansible playbooks, I'm trying to check if I have connectivity. So this pool 02, my inventory. So I have this is the inventory. So I've listed all the members. We will execute this pool against the pool master. So, but the ping will help me to check if I have connectivity. So module is ping. Ooh, red. Okay, but they are up. Let's see a normal ping. I believe I don't have any firewalls for those. 1, 6, 8, 2, 3, 5, and 29 is the pool master. Okay. If they are unreachable, then okay, the public key. Okay, we should install public key. Here SSH. Okay, so I have another video about this. So because my my entire script, as you can see, doesn't rely on any passwords, on any usernames, I'm using a public key, a public certificate from that was generated on the Ansible node, and I'm just sending that public key over to all hosts that I manage, so that I do not need to use passwords and usernames or user accounts. So let me just jump to that SSH, because there are no installs, and I believe I did not install the certificate SSH. Okay, let's see what we have here. Usually it's the last one. Ansible playbook, and it's 3, and we want to do that for pool. We need to limit pool 02, and then we need to ask vault pass. Okay, and the password. Yes, I want. Okay, and now we can try an Ansible pool 02 minus module ping. Oh, much better. So now now we can execute the playbook like it's now created. I just need to go back to my directory, because there is a different configuration. So clear, and let's start. It's called one install. So Ansible playbook. Let's make this, how can we make this smaller? Because I want to see what's happening over here. Okay, so let's check one more time the pool. So under updates, never, so we never got an update. You saw that there is no channel configured, so here also should be no updates. Okay, so we are ready to go. Let's Ansible playbook. What was it? 1. And I believe I do not need any volt. I did not configure any volts. Okay, need 4 volts. Okay, we just need to execute it against Xen, so against the pool master. Not limit to Xen 05. Okay, so Ansible playbook, install limit. Okay, go. And yeah, we need a bundle name. We need the bundle name, and that is which one? First one. So this is the, how can we copy or rename? It should take the complete name. Copy, okay. Just paste it here. Okay, and go. Okay, so it's gathering the facts. It's already set the maintenance mode. It's uploading the bundle. And we can check that directly on the pool master. So we have the update channel offline configured. The checksum of the bundle is visible. And that you can also check on the internet. So where you download the bundle, you should also have the checksum. Okay, it's applying the updates on the pool master already, so let's see it. Yeah, it's never, but it will apply it because we can already see that it is doing something. We don't need this, we just focus on the bundles. Okay, so pool master is done, as we can see. Okay, now it's applying on pool members, and we should see here. So you can see that XenServer already has the same bundle. I believe now it's installing on 9, and then it will install on 10. But let's just wait for it. From what I can see, it's faster than if you do it like this through Ansible. It's faster than through the Xen center console. This is my feeling. Okay, so let's see the progress. Where is it? So 9 has already the bundle, and now we just wait for 10. If 10 is gone, then it will reboot. Okay, pool master reboot. Let's see if he got the reboot. Yes, it got the reboot, and the slaves are still up because they will get the reboot only later. Okay, and this task will wait. This will wait by default for 2 minutes, and the other task, what's this now? So we are here. Where is the sleep? So we are here, and this is the next task. So after 2 minutes, it will check with systemctl. It will check if the XAPI service is online. It will check. It will try 10 times every 2 minutes. So it's more than enough for the server to actually reboot. Where is it? So it's already up. Let's see. Okay, the playbook. I don't know if I need to see if I can somehow add here in the task up some kind of progress bar so that we know where we are. So that server did definitely start, but yeah, in a productive environment, this will take at least 7 to 8 minutes. So yeah, he's online. Okay, he got that the XAPI service is running, and now he's waiting for those additional 5 minutes. So I think we got him pretty close to that. So yeah, it has 1 minute, and if it waits another 5 minutes, then we are good to go to reboot the other 2 hosts. Let's wait. So I will really wait for this because this is the way to go in a productive environment. You do not need to rush anything, and I will not intervene on the playbook. I would let it run as normal. Until then, let's check if so the remove of that bundle should have been done, so that we do not stay like this. Let's see if I open a new here and I do an SSH to send 05. Okay, so because I have that private key, as you see, I can immediately connect it without username and password temp, and it was and we just need to list. Yeah, the folder is empty, so the deletion of the file also worked. Let's go back to our playbook. So we are at task with sleeping, and then it will reboot the other pool members. And this playbook will also work if, for example, so no changes are needed, even if you have to, for example, so now today we installed this hash, and for example, if we want in 2 months or so we want to install a new bundle, nothing needs to be changed in the playbook, because the only steps that are not needed are those two where the disable is needed. So the creation of the no, this is the directory, this one. So the creation of the repository, but this will work. I've tested it, so it will probably throw out some errors that the repository has already created, but it will not stop the playbook. Eventually, if you have issues, you can write here ignore errors and set it to true, and then it will, even if there are some errors, it will go to the next one. So one more time, you always need, before you install, you need to upload. So you need to sync the bundle, and then you just apply the updates. The other there is one more difference. on the update process on the old XenServer, on the 8.c1, 8.2 c1, you had done the install command of the updates would install automatically on all hosts that hotfix. But in this in the new XenServer 8, you have to do this one by one. So each host needs to get its separate command to install. So if you want to do it with a bash script or something like that, you have to take in consideration that after you install the pool master, so you apply the updates on the pool master, then you have to apply this command on each member of the pool. And the only thing that will change in the repository, go back to the repository, I believe the command is repository list. So the UID of the repository will remain the same, the name, the description will remain the same, but if you upload a new bundle, then the hash will change. It will change to the new bundle that you uploaded. So this will change. The only thing that will change, everything else will remain the same. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so it's the 6 minutes are gone, and let's see, the server should have started to reboot. Yeah, perfect. So they are rebooting, and our playbook is done. So everything was successful, nothing failed, and we should see the hosts back here online, and the pool should no longer have those informations that you need to reboot. Let's just wait a little bit, because I want to show you one more thing that I did see. And that is this. I don't know if I'm not sure if this will show up on all the pool members. I don't remember. I've installed it once before I'm recording this video, but I don't remember. Let's see. So okay, so we have the hash everywhere. Okay, perfect. Yeah, for some reason I remember that it only displays that the last update was done in a specific date, and it doesn't show the hash, but it does, and it also shows you the hash here. So you know that all your members are at the same hash. Okay, so this was it. Thank you for watching. If you liked my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and yeah, see you in the next in my next videos.